Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video on reviewing an installation of the Anti Bloat Magisk Module. You have probably noticed that Google apps keep running in the background constantly. The strange part is that freezing or disabling them usually doesn't affect system stability or your user experience at all. Yet, the number of these background processes keeps growing with every single Android update. And no, it's not just Google apps. Even pure vanilla Android without G-apps has a lot of internal crap. The main goal of this module is to freeze these apps to extend battery life and improve performance. Let's take a look at what we're working with. Here is the module zip file that we will be flashing today. It is a lightweight package, but it makes a huge difference. Now, before we proceed, there is a very specific requirement you need to know. If you are using KernelSU, you are completely fine to just install this. However, if you are using Magisk, you must have the Web KSU app installed on your phone. This is because the module interface is web-based, and Magisk needs that external app to manage the settings properly. Alright, let's get this installed. Open up your Magisk Manager and head over to the Modules tab at the bottom right. Tap on Install from Storage and select the Anti Bloat zip file we just looked at. The installation terminal will open up and begin flashing. It is usually a very quick process as it places the necessary scripts into your system list directories. You will see the volume key selector or the flashing confirmation lines scrolling by. Once the flashing process says Done, go ahead and hit the blue Reboot button in the bottom corner. We need a full system restart to ensure the scripts initialize correctly and the module hooks into the system on boot. Just sit tight for a moment while your device powers back on. Okay, the phone is back on. Let's quickly verify the installation. Unlock your device and launch the Magisk app one more time. Navigate to the Modules tab, and right there at the top you should see the Anti Bloat module listed as active and running. Now for the important part. Go ahead and open the KSU web app that I mentioned earlier. This is the dashboard where you actually control the module. As you can see, it provides a list of the targeted system apps and Google services. From here, the module automatically identifies the bloatware. You can customize exactly what gets frozen, ensuring that you kill the battery drainers without accidentally disabling features you actually use. And that is pretty much it for this module. It is a simple install that results in much better battery standby time. I've left the download links in the description below. If this video helped you out, please hit that like button and subscribe for more rooted app reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.